In the heart of Dubai Industrial City stands a symbol of strength, precision, and reliability. Welcome to Emirates Pallet Factory, one of the largest manufacturers of wooden pallets in the UAE. With a capacity of over 3.6 million pallets annually, powered by state-of-the-art auto nailing technology. Spanning over 500,000 square feet in Dubai Industrial City, our facility is built for scale, efficiency, and excellence in wooden packaging manufacturing. We don't just manufacture products, we build trust. From industrial wooden boxes to heavy-duty cable drums, customized pallets to reconditioned solutions, every product is crafted with care and built to bear. Our core products includes industrial wooden boxes, industrial plywood boxes, wooden runners and cut-to-size timber, wooden cable drums, and customized wooden pallets. We import premium timber raw materials from around the world, Chile, Europe, and New Zealand, to ensure global standards meet regional needs. Our finished products serve not only the United Arab Emirates, but are trusted across all Gulf Cooperation Council countries, keeping industries moving and businesses thriving. As a certified ISPM 15 provider, we ensure compliance, quality, and peace of mind, no matter the destination. Built on a foundation of sustainability, our timber products are crafted using eco-friendly wood with zero compromise on durability. At EPF, excellence goes beyond manufacturing. It's in our service, our systems, and our people. For over a decade, we've built more than pallets. We've built partnerships. Emirates Pallet Factory, your trusted partner in wooden industrial packaging solutions.